Now I'm going to start with the solved questions. In that, first one is example 1, add. So here in this question we are having total 3 polynomials, 1, 2, 3, and each polynomial having a 3 terms, as you can see here. Now to add these 3 polynomials we are having 2 methods. Okay, the first method I'm going to teach here. Let me write the first polynomial here, that is 6 minus 3a plus b. Under this I'm going to write the second polynomial, and here it is a. Where it is a? It is here. So a, nothing it is there means there will be plus. So I'm going to write here plus a. Now minus 7, that is a constant. Let me write under the 6, that is minus 7. Now minus 6b. Where is the b variable? Which is here. So let me write under that minus 6b. So whatever the terms will be having the signs, no, that we are supposed to write. It is must. Okay. Now we will go to the third polynomial. Now here it is 3b. Where it is b? It is here, and it is plus 3b. Let me write under that. Now which is having a constant plus 2. Let me write here under this. Now minus c. Now what we will do? We have to do addition. Okay, we will solve this. Nothing it is there means there will be 1. So here it was only b, right? I have just written 1b. Now here plus 1 and minus 6. We need to do subtract. Plus 1 minus 6 we will get 5, and the bigger number having the minus. So minus 5. With this we need to add plus 3. Again, one number is having negative sign, one number is having positive sign. So we need to do subtraction. And minus 5 plus 3 we will get 2. And the bigger number carrying the negative sign. So answer we will get, that is minus. And don't forget to write the variable, that is 2b. Okay, now we will come to here. Now here it is minus and here it is plus in this variable a. Nothing it is there means there will be 1. Minus plus we need to do subtraction. Minus 3 plus 1 we will get 2, and the bigger number having the negative sign. So we will be having a minus 2. With this we need to add here minus 1, again 1. Both signs are negative signs, so we need to do addition. 2 plus 1 is 3, and the bigger number carrying the negative sign. So we will be having now minus 3a. Now in this, here nothing it is there means there will be plus sign. Okay, plus 6 minus 7 we have to do subtract, and after subtraction we will get 1, and bigger number carrying the negative sign, that is minus 1. With this we need to add plus 2. Again minus plus we need to do subtraction. I'll get 1, and bigger number carrying the plus. So we'll be having only 1 now. So we got the answer 1 minus 3a minus 2b here. Now I'm going to teach the another method, second method here. In the second method, let me write the first polynomial, that is 6 minus 3a plus b. So what we are doing here, we are just adding these 3 polynomials. Okay, now let me put a addition sign in between these two. I'll get a minus 7 minus 6b. Again with this plus 3b plus 2 minus a. Now see here, look at the constant. Here it is 6, here it is minus 7, and here it is 2. Okay, I'm just writing here separately. 6 minus 7, and here it is plus 2. Again 6 minus 7, I'll get minus 1 plus 2. I'll get 1 here. The answer we got 1 here. Okay, now once I finish, now let me make a circle for that. So we will not get a confusion in the next step. Now look at the variable a only. Here it is minus 3a. Okay, and the next one is plus a, and the next one is minus a. Now see here, this plus a minus a get cancels. What left? Minus 3a. I have done with this. Let me make a circle here. Now the next question, next variable we are having b only, plus b minus 6b and plus 3b. Okay, see here again b minus 6b we will get minus 5b plus 3b. We need to do subtraction. After subtraction I left with a minus 2b. Bigger number carrying the negative sign. That's why minus 2b. See, in both case we got the, in both method we found the same answer here. So either you can go with this method, or we can go with this method here. Okay. Example 2, subtract. Again here in this question also I am going to teach you 2 methods here. Okay. The first method, now this polynomial we are supposed to subtract from this polynomial. In that case I need to write this polynomial as a first. So I'll be having 7x square plus 3xy minus 4x. Yes, we need to do subtract, so we have to put the negative sign here. Now the next polynomial we are supposed to put in the bracket. 5x minus 3x square plus 8xy. Because the sign it is going to change now. That's why we have to put in the bracket. If it is plus, it is not required again. Now we will open this bracket. Before that, let me write this polynomial as it is. 7x square plus 3xy minus 4x. Now here minus plus minus 5x Again nothing it is there means there will be plus sign. Minus minus plus 3x square minus plus minus 8xy. Okay, now see here, where is the x square only variables we will first check. Here it is x square, here it is. What is that? 7 plus 3. That I'll get 7, 10. 10x square I'll get. Let me write here. 8x square. So we have done with this, right? Now the next variable we will be having xy plus 3xy and minus 8xy. So what we need to do? We need to subtract and the bigger number carrying the negative sign. So let me write here 8 minus 3 I'll get 5. So the answer will be minus 5xy. So we're done with this. Next we will be having a x variable. Since the both number having the negative signs, both term are having negative signs, so what we can do? We can do directly addition and the bigger number carrying the negative sign. So 5 plus 4 is 9x. So answer we found that is 10x square minus 5xy minus 9x here. Now we will go to the another method, second method here. In second method, let me write the first polynomial 7x square. I mean from the which number you are subtracting, no, that number we need to write in the first row. 7x square plus 3xy minus 4x. Okay, and another polynomial we are having, that is 5x. Where is 5x? Which is here. So that is under that we have to write that is plus 5x. After that minus 3x square. I have to write here minus 3x square. In the under the same variable only we need to write plus 8xy. Plus 8xy. Now in the case of subtraction, the second polynomial, that sign we need to change. So here it is plus, it will become minus. Plus it will become minus. Minus it will become plus. Now as you can just compare with this method, here it was minus 3x square, it become a plus, and here it also become a plus. Like 8xy become a minus here. So see here, we also found here after opening the bracket we found minus 8xy. Similarly 5x minus, and here it is we found minus 5x. Okay, so in that if you are doing in this method, we have to change the second row signs here. Now see here, minus minus we need to add, so I'll get minus 9x. Now see, we need to do subtract. One term it is positive, one term is negative. We need to do subtract. So I'll get 5xy and the bigger number having the negative sign minus. We need to consider these signs for these terms. Okay. Now here plus plus we need to add 10x square we will get. Now look at the both answer. We found the both answers same only. Okay. Either you can go with this method or this method here. Example 3. Subtract 12x plus 3y minus z from the sum of these two polynomials. So in this case, first we need to add these two polynomials. Okay. And from this later we will subtract this polynomial. Okay. Let me write these polynomials. Here it is 7x plus 4y minus 5z, and here it is plus 5. Okay. Plus 5. What we are doing? We are adding, right? So put a sign here, plus sign in between these two polynomials. So I'll be having now plus 6x minus 7z minus 8. Okay, now where it is only first we will compare the same kind of a variables. Now here it is 7x and here it is 6x. So after addition I'll get what? I'll get 13x. Okay, we done with this. Now the next one is y. So in the second polynomial we don't have a y. So let me write as it is 4y. Okay. And the third, so we have done, no, this is, let me make a circle. Now third term, that is 5z. So I have written x here, sorry, 5z minus 5z, and here we are having minus 7z. So both are same terms. Okay, now we have to add because both terms are having the same sign. So 5 plus 7 I'll get 12, and bigger number having the negative sign. So 12z this is. So we have done with this. Now we left with only constant, and one constant is having positive sign and another one is negative. So we need to do subtract, and bigger number having the negative sign. So 8 minus 5 I'll get 3. So we found that is 13x plus 4y minus 12z minus 3 here. And I have just written only the sum of the polynomials what we found, no, that I have written here. Now from this we need to subtract this. Okay, now put a subtraction sign and put this polynomial in the bracket because the sign it is going to change. That's why 12x plus 3y minus z. Okay, now we have to open this bracket. Before this, let me write this polynomial as it is, that is 13x plus 4y minus 12z minus 3. Now minus plus 12x, sorry, minus x minus 12x. Okay, minus plus minus 3y minus minus will be having plus z. Okay, now again we will compare with the like terms. Here it is 13x and here it is minus 12x. So we have to do subtract, and bigger number having the positive sign. So answer we will get 1x, and I'm just simply writing x. Okay, so we have done with this. Okay, now the next one is 4y here, 4y we are having, and here it is minus 3y. We need to do subtract, right? So after subtraction I'll be having y and the bigger number having the plus sign. So we found plus y. Now after that z. Okay, here it is minus and here it is plus. Obviously we need to do subtract. 12 minus 1 we will get 11 and the bigger number carrying the negative sign. So don't forget to write the variable here. So we found minus 11 after subtracting this. And we are having left with only one term. So that is minus 3. So we found the answer x plus y minus 11z minus 3 after simplification of this question. So in this first we added this and from this we have subtracted this. Okay.